Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Урок 18. Часть 2. Страница 46-47. English Starlight for homework. Lesson number 18. Part number 2. Page number 46-47. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly, it's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 46. 46. Grammarland. Past simple, negative, interrogative. Прошедшее простое время. Отрицательные и вопросительные предложения. I didn't want to scare you. Я не хотел напугать тебя. Рыцарь разговаривал, да, нет. Did the knight talk? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Read and answer the questions. Прочитай и ответь на вопросы. Monday. I played music all morning. Wednesday. I sailed down the river Thames to my palace. Friday. I played tennis. It was fun. Sunday. I hunted deer in the park near my palace. Answer the questions. Number 1. Did he listen to music on Monday? Number 1. The answer. Он слушал музыку в понедельник. The answer. No, he didn't. He played the music. Answer the questions. Number 2. Did he sail down the river on Friday? Number 2. The answer. Он плыл на паруснике в пятницу. The answer. No, he didn't. He sailed down on Wednesday. Answer the questions. Question number 3. Did he play tennis on Monday? Number 3. Он играл в теннис в понедельник. The answer. No, he didn't. He played tennis on Friday. Answer the question. Number 4. Did he hunt deer on Sunday? Number 4. The answer. Он охотился на оленей в воскресенье. The answer. Yes, he did. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. What did Brainy do last night? Listen and choose the right pictures. Что делал Брейни прошлым вечером? Послушай и выбери правильные картинки. Hi, Brainy. What did you do last night? Did you play football? No, I didn't. I played chess with my father. Chess, really? Yes. And then I played my new video game for a while. Did you listen to music at all? No, I didn't, but I watched TV. There was a great program on a History Channel. The History Channel? Oh, did you study last night? course I study every night. Can I have a look at your math homework? The answer: letter B, C, E, F. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Now ask and answer. Сейчас задай вопросы и ответь. Did Brainy play chess? Yes, he did. Did Brainy play video game? Yes, he did. Did he listen to music? No, he didn't. Did he watch TV? Yes, he do. Did he study? Yes, he did. Does Brainy study every night? Yes, he does. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 47. Exercise number 4. Put the words in the right order to make sentences. Поставь слова в правильном порядке, чтобы составить предложение. Number 1. Did he play the guitar last night? The answer number 1. Он играл на гитаре прошлым вечером. Number 2. Susan visited Russia last summer. Susan посещала Россию прошлым летом. Number 3. They didn't stay at home. Они не остались дома. Number 4. Did it rain yesterday? Вчера был дождь. Number 5. We didn't watch TV last night. Мы не смотрели телевизор вчера. Number 6. Anton lived in the USA. Антон жил в США. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. What did they do yesterday? Ask and answer. Number 1. Did they play chess? Yes, they did. Что они делали вчера? Задай вопросы и ответь. Number 1. Они играли в шахматы. Да. Number 2. Did she mop the floor? Она мыла пол? Нет. Did she mop the floor? No, she didn't. Number 3. Did he stay in bed? Yes, he did. Он остался в кровати? Да. Number 4. Did they dance at the party? Yes, they did. Они танцевали на вечеринке? Да. Number 5. Did he play the guitar? No, he didn't. Он играл на гитаре? Нет. Number 6. Did she listen to music? Yes, she did. Она слушала музыку? Да. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Talk with your friend. Поговори со своим другом. What did you do yesterday? I watched TV. What did you do yesterday? I played chess with my brother. Что ты делала вчера? Я смотрела телевизор. Что ты делала вчера? Я играла в шахматы со своим братом. The next. What did you do yesterday? I baked a cake. And what did you do yesterday? I listened to music. The next. What did you do yesterday? I watered the plants. What did you do yesterday? I watched TV. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.